Good morning, guys. Welcome back to 4Killer's Garage. Today we're going to be doing the oil change on the 05 Ford F-150. And if I sound nasally, it's because I got a cold, but I told y'all I'd get the rest of the video going, so let's go take a look. All right, guys, well, we are under the truck. We've got the oil plug right there, and I believe our mysterious oil filter somewhere around here, and I can't remember where it is now. Y'all might be able to see it, but it's under there somewhere. So we're gonna figure out what size bolt that is, and we'll be back at you. Hopefully y'all can see this. Still learning all the new angles and crap. So, ow, that would be the truck and my head. They don't collide very well. Oops. Yeah. Do me a favor. There you go. You got it. Let go. Let go. All right, he got the button. All right, let's set it. Let's see what we can do here. He's a little photo shy, but he'll eventually get used to it. I was the same way when I started. So you're gonna see my fat ass trying to get up under the truck.
Jesus Christ. Enough.
And we're going to attempt to get this off of here, which I got a feeling might not be the right size. Or I'm tightening it, one or the other.
Ready, tighty.
So don't want to flip it. Yep, let me try a different size. I don't know how the other guys do it. Oh, again, some of y'all are a little smaller than me. So, and I don't do well with jacks, so I don't have the nice hydraulic ones. I got the ones that come with the car. So you see my enthusiasm and skepticism
Yeah.
with wanting to use a regular jack. And yes, I try to make this family friendly, but you're gonna learn it's not gonna be always that way. Because you can ask any actual mechanic or anybody who works on their own vehicles how many words a day come out of their mouth that they don't normally say. So to anybody who is 18 or 17 and younger, please make sure that your parents will allow you to watch this just to be on the safe side. Because if I end up saying some words that are not approved, I don't want your parents coming at me yelling and screaming and demonetizing me, because I got monetized and I want to stay that way. So, let's see. Bitch. Alright, probably no. Will this motherfreaker work? That might work. It's a, what's it called? Socket, but it might work. Come on. Listen up for me. Without getting dust in my eyes. Come on. So yeah, wanting to do your own work on your own vehicle, this is the stuff you gotta go through. Figuring out whether this freaking thing is gonna work or not. Come on, you Burke.
Isn't it?
We'll bring it back. It stopped. Well, that didn't go according to plan, so we had to figure out another way. Apparently, whoever did the oil change last stripped the bolt, so it took me that long to figure that out. So we had to figure other means getting the oil done, but we'll keep you posted. I'll be back. Hey guys, we're back. We managed to get the oil out. We had a little bit of a mishap, but we got the bolt out and we're getting ready to put the oil in. Unfortunately, we did that off camera, so I apologize ahead of time. But let's get this going. All right, so we're gonna do the one itty bitty quart first. Get that going in there. A friend of mine went down to get some cleaning stuff because, like I said, we had a little bit of a mishap. But we should be good to go. It is a little hard to do when you're doing DIY projects. Sometimes the bolts don't want to work. Sometimes they break. Sometimes it's just, crazy. But one of those, do at your own risk. Can't do what Derek does. I gotta pop it out. Fortunately, gotta do it the way of the wonders here. Now, unfortunately, this car is a 6-quart vehicle. So, one little one and then one big one. This little buddy should be good to go. Let's leave a quart in there and see where we are, shall we? Make sure you always got your rags. Oops. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna be doing good. Give her a little twirl in a minute. See what we can do. See if we need to add more or not. So let's take a look. Hopefully you all stay where you are, because sometimes that doesn't work that well. Guys, welcome. We're finally finished. Go ahead and let you all see that the truck is done. We're going to pretend we don't see what's underneath of the truck. Everything is taken care of. She's ready to roll. Now y'all get to hear it. And again, oil pressure is good. Coolant's good, gas is good, and this is how you do your own DIY. Again, pretend you don't see that in there. All right, y'all.